Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage on Jazeera Airways. First, check your baggage allowance based on your fare type. Economy class passengers can carry up to 30 kg, while business class passengers get up to 60 kg. If you need more, you can purchase extra baggage on the Jazeera Airways website, at airport ticket desk, through the call center, or even during check-in. Keep in mind that no single check bag can exceed 30 kg, and its dimensions must stay within 158 cm. If you're carrying food like frozen seafood or meat, make sure it's packed in a strong ice box and sealed with plastic wrapping. And that's it. That's how to add extra baggage on Jazeera Airways. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.